Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm standing outside of 9045 State Road J. This is a great property. It is a house behind me and it sits on 3 acres. It is down a paved road. The house has 1 bedroom, a nice big open kitchen into the living room. Also, there is another room that is a non-conforming bedroom, does not have a window, but it would be perfect for like an office area or arts and crafts or what have you. The great thing about this is there are 3 spacious garages in this house with nice big overhead garage doors, concrete flooring. And there's also a lean-to as well back there. So it is a great property, very unique. It's nice for somebody who is wanting to feel out in the country and have their own space, and also a great area to do some hobbies. So sit back and enjoy the tour.